What's up, guys? This is Daniel Cortez from the two-time champion world winner of the Game of Bike series. This is the bike that helps me win all these games of bikes. Without this bike, I would lose and I would suck like little Mikey, but this bike keeps me going. Alright, let's start from the top. Shocker Candy grips from CULT. Bonds, pretty nice. Plastic. Holds up pretty well, but this one broke. I got these Brian Foster chrome bars. They were 20 bucks on like some Black Friday or something, or like Cyber Monday. Then I got a CULT stock stem. This came with my complete, but I don't have complete anymore. CULT headset. Then my front wheel is a SC complete wheel. I've had it since I first started BMX, honestly. I got a demolition tire in the front. I got G-Sport hub guards on both sides, but on this side I have a CULT peg, I guess. It's like Doomsday or some shit. And I got an Odyssey one on here with this fucking sleeve that is very, very slippery. It doesn't even hold. That's fine, whatever. Well, Mikey got me that for Christmas. Then this is the most exciting part of the game of my bike check is my new CULT Killian Roth colorway shorty. 20.5, and it's good. I like it. It sparkles in the sun, so we might have to get that shot. Cranks, CULT cranks, stock. Got these new CULT pedals, pretty good. Then I got this Sunday sprocket guard. I bought it off my friend for 15 bucks, so it's a pretty good deal. Got a CULT chain. It's basically stock or whatever. Then I got a demolition hub, which I fucked up, I'm not gonna lie. It has a big ass dent, it's fucking broken, but it still does the job. Then it's a demolition tire in the back too. Demolition hub guard on this side, but I'm not running a peg because my shit's stripped. I have this hub guard, not sure what type it is, but it does the job. And I got this RC peg with the plastic sleeves. And CULT Cutter Roche seat, and just a chrome seat post. I don't know where I got it from. I had a black one, but I changed it. And yeah, that's my bike basically. Thank you for watching, and here's some clips.